I can't believe how much this electricity bill is. It's been getting higher and higher every month.
I know, right? It's a real drain on our finances. Have you thought about switching to renewable energy? Did you know that solar panels can reduce your electricity bill by up to 80%?
I've considered it, but I'm not sure if it's worth the initial investment.
Let's break it down. With current prices of solar panels, the upfront cost can be more manageable. Also, when the government is providing buying option of extra generated units, it becomes more feasible in the long run.
I'm worried about the installation process. Will it be complicated or expensive?
The installation process is usually straightforward. It takes around 3 days to a week for complete setup on the rooftop. It's like building a Lego set, but with a lot more power.
What about maintenance? Will I need to spend a lot of time or money on upkeep?
Solar panels require minimal maintenance. Simple cleaning few times a month is usually sufficient. Let's discuss some benefits. Besides saving money, switching to renewable energy can also help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment.
That's a great point. I hadn't considered the environmental benefits.
If you're interested in exploring renewable energy options for your home, I recommend consulting with a solar installer or energy efficiency expert.
Thanks, Elixir. I'll definitely look into it.